Good morning, children. Yesterday I have explained about the craft and also the what type of the ornaments the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people were used. They used the bronze, silver, gold ornaments. They used weapons also. They used and also different kinds of the pots, black pots also with the design they use. And even in the men and women also they were the specialist to make the ornaments by using of the gold, silver and they prepared the different kinds of the ornaments. Not only the ornaments and also they used the weapons, even they used different kinds by using of the cotton. They used to make the cloth and the different design cloth also they were. And here the using of and the craft work they develop and they used the different kinds of the ornaments. So all these materials, the raw materials where it is available. The raw material means present you can see the gold it is there. When we are going to melt the gold and we can prepare different kinds of the ornaments like a chain or the earrings or the rings and different kind. Even silver also. Not only the gold and silver, even different kinds of the raw materials. All these raw materials, the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people, the raw materials where they got it and where they brought the raw materials and how the raw materials were produced by in the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Today let us see in the paragraph of the in search of raw materials. The archaeologist found that the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people where they found the raw material. Here we can see that raw materials are substances either found naturally or produced by farmers or the herders. So the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people they found the some of the substances raw materials in the nature they found some raw materials like a wood or some other things or the gold silver from underground they used to found and the in the naturally they found some of the raw materials and some of the raw materials were produced by the farmers and herders. The farmers means the person, those who are growing the crops. And here the herders. Herders means the people, those who are rearing the animals. Different kinds of the animals they used to rear. And here the raw materials are needed in order to produce finished goods. So in previous class I told they used the gold ornaments, silver ornaments and weapons they made. How they made the weapons and the gold ornaments? By the using of the raw material. The specialist, the men and women also they were the specialist to produce or to make the different kinds of the finished goods. And here one example we can see here, cotton produced by farmers. The cotton is their raw materials. By using of the, who is producing the cotton? The farmer is producing the cotton. By using of the raw material cotton, the raw material it is produced to make the cloth. The raw material to make the cloth, to make different design on the cloth. What are the raw material we needed here? We needed the cotton. Who is producing the cotton? Cotton was produced by the farmers. But the raw material, the cotton, by using of the cotton, they make the different cloth also. Next one, the Harappa produced the probably got the copper from the Rajasthan. Now here the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people they collect the raw materials. The farmers producing the cotton and different kinds of the goods, herders rearing of the different kinds of the animals, and here the rulers they send the some of the people from the other lands to collect raw material. Here the Harappan people the copper they got from the Rajasthan. From the present day, it is called the Rajasthan. They collect the raw material copper from the Rajasthan. This the tin which was mixed with copper to produce the bronze. The raw materials by mixing the raw material tin and also the copper. Both when the tin and copper they were mixing together and they used to produce the bronze. And here may have been brought from the Afghanistan. This raw material tin and copper and also these are the raw materials they used to bring from the Afghanistan and also the Iran. And next, the different raw materials. And here we can see the gold. Gold present day in, it is called the Karnataka, and from Karnataka they got the gold. And also the with stones also, the Harappan people they made different designs of the chains. They used to cut the stone and they made the this chains also they have made. And here the stones, the precious stones they collect from the place of the Iran and also the Gujarat. And the all these raw materials, by using of the raw materials, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people they developed the craft. This craft also the specialists, the men and women, they were developed. And by the seeing of all the evidences, archaeologists explained about the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Let us continue tomorrow's lesson.